This is the Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus 5G, Xiaomi's latest and greatest smartphone in its popular Redmi Note lineup in India. The Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus 5G is a successor to the Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus 5G, but if you look at the spec sheet, the phone seems to be more of a spiritual successor to the Xiaomi 11i HyperCharged, which was launched around the same time last year. This also means that this flagship model in the Note 12 series lineup in India is more expensive than ever. The Redmi Note lineup has breached the Rs 25,000 price point for the first time in India. However, Xiaomi has packed some premium hardware in this phone along with some category first features. Before that, let's quickly unbox the device. The retail unit mentions some of the key features of the phone, which includes super fast charging, support for Dolby Atmos, etc. Xiaomi sent us the variant with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. The unboxing experience is pretty standard. You get a TPU case and some documents followed by the device itself. We have the Arctic White color option. The retail unit also packs a 120W fast charging adapter and a USB Type-A to Type-C charging cable. Moving on, the Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus 5G has a flat frame made of plastic. The phone has a glass back and it feels very dense in the hand. For those who want the numbers, it weighs 208 grams and is 8.9mm thick. Thankfully, this thickness allows for a 3.5mm headphone jack at the top, next to which is an IR emitter and a microphone. The primary microphone sits next to the dual nano SIM tray, USB Type-C port and a primary speaker grill at the bottom. To the right of the phone are the power and volume buttons. The power button doubles as a fingerprint scanner for authentication. The Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus 5G feels well built. The back is made of an unspecified toughened glass, whereas you get Corning's Gorilla Glass 5 on the front. I really like the Arctic White color of my Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus 5G unit. Although glossy, the white paint job helps hide fingerprints and smudges, which could be more visible on the iceberg blue and obsidian black colors. Unlike its main competitor, the Realme 10 Pro Plus 5G, the Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus 5G has a flat display. The bezels are fairly narrow, except for the chin, which is slightly thick. There is a cutout at the top for the 16MP front camera. The display measures 6.67 inches diagonally and has a Full HD Plus resolution. The list of display features is quite long, and this includes support for 10-bit color and adaptive 120Hz refresh rate, Dolby Vision, HDR10 Plus certification, among others. The display is bright enough for both indoor and outdoor use. That said, peak brightness has dropped to 900 nits as opposed to 1200 nits on the Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus 5G. One of the highlights of the Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus 5G is its primary rear camera. The phone has a 200MP Samsung HPX sensor with an f1.6 aperture and optical image stabilization support. The triple camera setup also includes an 8MP ultra-wide angle camera and a 2MP macro camera. For selfies, there is a 16MP front camera. So far, I can tell you that the primary camera's daylight performance is quite impressive, but I'll reserve my final verdict for the full review. In terms of software, the Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus 5G runs on the Android 12 based MIUI 13. Xiaomi is lagging behind the competition a bit when it comes to offering the latest Android version in its phones. There are a few unnecessary preloaded apps in MIUI 13 which can be uninstalled. Xiaomi has promised 2 major Android updates and 4 years of security support for the Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus 5G. Under the hood, there is a 6nm MediaTek Dimensity 1080 SoC, which is a successor to the Dimensity 920 SoC which featured in the Xiaomi 11i HyperCharged. The company claims that the phone's 4980 mAh battery can be charged from 0 to 100% in just 19 minutes using the 120W charging adapter that's provided in the box. We will of course test this claim for the full review, which will be up very soon on Gadgets 360.